Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 20th of September, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 17th of September, 2024, our system has classified Apple as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.23. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 5.26% since we initially recommended purchasing Apple 4 days ago. This results in an average return of 1.32% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock is positioned within a broad and weak upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 2.05% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 6.24% to positive 6.61%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of 24.3% over the next 12 months, with possible returns between 0.84% and 32.77%. This means the price could range from $230.11 to $302.98 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apple features the headline: a challenging day for Apple stock on Friday, with a decline of nearly 0.3%. The Apple stock price decreased by nearly 0.3% on the last trading day, Friday, the 20th of September, 2024, dropping from $228.87 to $228.20. Throughout the trading day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 2.4%, with a low of $227.62 and a high of $233.09. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 6 instances and has increased by 3.34% over the last 2 weeks. Trading volume surged on the last day, with an additional 221 million shares traded, although this occurred alongside declining prices. This could serve as an early warning, slightly raising the risk for the upcoming days. In total, 287 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $65.520 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $237.23, while the lowest stood at $164.08. Currently, the stock price is 3.81%, or $9.03, below the 52-week high of $237.23, which remains the all-time peak for the stock. Apple Inc. finds itself at a pivotal moment as it introduces the iPhone 16 amidst a backdrop of mixed consumer expectations. While there is enthusiasm surrounding the launch, the lack of anticipated artificial intelligence features may temper initial excitement. This release coincides with a significant quarterly rebalancing of market index funds and a triple witching event, which is known to increase market volatility. Short-term fluctuations are expected as investors evaluate the iPhone's early sales performance and consumer sentiment. Apple's CEO, Tim Cook, expresses optimism about demand. However, analysts point to potential concerns regarding pre-order data and the overall market response. In the longer term, The outcome will hinge on how swiftly Apple can innovate and incorporate artificial intelligence capabilities into its products. Should the iPhone 16 fall short of sales targets, there may be downward pressure on the stock. Conversely, if the launch surpasses expectations despite the criticisms, it could reinforce Apple's market position and possibly drive bullish momentum. Overall, investors are keenly focused on how these developments will influence Apple's performance and stock price in the weeks and months ahead. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 18th of September 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned Apple a grade of overweight with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 17th of September 2024, it was reported that CFRA assigned Apple a grade of buy with a hold action. On Monday, the 16th of September 2024, it was reported that Barclays assigned Apple a grade of negative with a hold action. On the same day, Monday, the 16th of September 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned Apple a grade of neutral with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 10th of September 2024, it was reported that Cowen & Company assigned Apple a grade of buy with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general neutral rating. They view the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as a strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. There are mixed signals in the stock today. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, August 29, 2024, and so far it has fallen nearly 0.7%. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock should be monitored more closely. The Apple stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook. Moreover, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected from the lines at $222.31 and $221.84. Should the stock break below either of these levels, it will trigger sell signals. The stock experienced a golden star signal on Wednesday, September 18, 2024, in the short-term chart. A golden star signal occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line converge in a unique combination. This occurrence is quite rare and is often followed by substantial and sustained gains for the stock in question. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggested a sell signal 16 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy opportunity from 4 days ago. The short-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a buy signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 2 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicated a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average suggested a buy signal 98 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages displayed a buy signal 86 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $219.86. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. Generally, the stock demonstrates very controlled movements, and due to its good liquidity, the associated risk is regarded as very low. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $5.47 between its high and low points, representing a change of 2.40%. In the last week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 1.95%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is expected on the 7th of November, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.60. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $228.87. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Apple faces its first support level at $219.86. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from various analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 15th of August, 2024, Chris Kondo executed an insider sale of 8,706 shares of common stock. On the 9th of August, 2024, Chris Kondo executed an insider sale of 5,178 shares of common stock. On the 5th of August, 2024, Catherine L. Adams conducted an insider sale of 97,600 shares of common stock. On the 5th of August, 2024, Catherine L. Adams conducted another insider sale of 2,400 shares of common stock. On the 7th of August, 2024, Catherine L. Adams executed an insider sale of 4,500 shares of common stock. Analyzing the most recent 100 insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 32.736. In total, insiders purchased 1,401,454 shares and sold 2,716,460 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $220.93, reflecting a decrease of 3.19%. This stock exhibits low daily fluctuations, which contributes to a lower risk profile. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top identified 32 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Apple presents several positive indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it is best regarded as a hold or accumulate candidate while we await further developments. Upon examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 23rd of September, we anticipate that Apple will open up by $1.44, starting the trading session at $229.64. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.